Do you think in 2023 link building is not working out for you? No, the answer relies on the other things that you are missing out. The first thing is you need to focus on the right keyword research. Maybe you are working on the highly competitive keywords and you are not targeting the low KDS or low hanging keywords that is useful for your brand, that you can easily rank for. Maybe your authority is not that great as of other brands or the other competitors that you are targeting. So that's one thing, that you need to do a right keyword research. The next thing is you need to focus on the content. Make sure the content is well engaging, it's useful, helpful for the audience, and actually bringing a kind of great impact for the search engines as well. Lastly, page experience. Making sure the website is like user friendly, customer friendly, search engine friendly. You're taking care of all the webmaster guidelines. The website page experience is super awesome. Core web vitals are great. You're using structured data. Google is able to understand your website, the content, what it's about, how it's about, and what problem you are solving. So those things are actually sorted. Page speed is like less than 3 seconds and all. So taking care of all the technical SEO, make sure these are perfect, and then you will see that link building that you've been doing and it's not working on the beginning will start working out for you. And that's 1 minute of marketing.